Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. We begin with currency trading where the Jamaican dollar continued to slide, losing 30 cents to the greenback in today's trading. The US dollar is now being sold for $140.42. The Canadian dollar is going for $106.77. The pound closed at $181.26, while the euro ended the day at $156.30. And as the Jamaican dollar continues to depreciate, manufacturers and exporters are complaining that they too can't get their hands on the US currency. Vice President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, David Martin, told the Financial Week today that his members are struggling.
The big concern I'm getting from my colleagues about the exchange rate is that there's a shortage of dollars. That's what I'm hearing. There's a shortage of dollars. There's concern that the exchange rate is spiking as well. It's something like near 140 now. But the availability, just raw availability, is an issue. I'm also hearing, members have said in the past that if there's a large transaction that's going to affect the FX market, why can't these large transactions be directly addressed? BOJ through the commercial banks in a very specific way, specifically addressed so that it doesn't pressure the exchange rate. And we understand that the reason we're having this spike right now is because of a large transaction.
Small businesses, which are usually unable to access large sums of money from the banks, are being told that there's a facility now in place to help them grow. The National Commercial Bank is lending the money as a guaranteed loan. It means small enterprises can access capital without the debt obligation. NCB launched the lending program yesterday with the help of the United States Agency for International Development, USAID.
This loan guarantee, valued at 25 million United States dollars or 3.4 billion Jamaican dollars, has strengthened the ability of the National Commercial Bank to finance medium and long-term loans to SMEs in important sectors of the economy.
In the meantime, Industry and Commerce Minister Audley Shaw says the guaranteed loan facility is one of many ventures to come on stream to ensure that more micro, small and medium-sized enterprises are given a fair chance to grow.
Our small and medium enterprises. Yet we only access 10% of the money for business. That 90% of the money goes to large businesses. So in order for us to get the growth, to go back to 5, 6, 7, 8% growth, we've got to make sure that a larger pool of funds are in the hands of small and medium enterprises.
We go now to the stock market where the JSE index lost 611 points today while the junior market index gained 2 points. Among the winners were Jetcon Corporation, Sterling Investments, Salada Foods, Carreras and G West Corporation. On the losing side were 138 Student Living, Dolphin Cove, Epley, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund and Pulse Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.